Hey guys, it's safe to say that life has changed for all of us a lot in the past couple of weeks. I want you to know my family and I are quarantined here at Starlight Farm, doing our part for social distancing and a whole lot of hand washing. More scrubbing.
23 seconds, man.
Fingernails.
Fingertips.
And I don't know about you, but I can't read the headlines 24 hours a day. So we've got lots of content that we shot in February. And if you're looking for a break from all of the doom and gloom out there, maybe you want to follow along. We've got tips, we've got design ideas, and if you're stuck at home in quarantine, maybe I can help keep you entertained. Here we go. Alex and I just bought a ranch bungalow in the country. We're going to start a new project. But here's the catch. I want to do this project in 50 days. This was day 1.
I love demo day.
And this is day 2.
Just borrowing Sarah's hard hat. There you go. Oh, not the wall! Not the wall! Uh-oh.
Nobody told me about this. How come I'm finding it on YouTube? Then again, we're painting the wall, so it's not really a big deal.
Hey, Adam and Braden, we need your muscles.
Well, that's good.
What's the point to it?
Awesome. Time check.
Fireplace demo, 15 minutes. We might just make this 50-day thing, as long as there's no looming global health crisis. What do you like to do on a Friday at 5 o'clock? Well, after a long day on site at another project, I like to stop by and see how our demo week went. And I am psyched.
So the bathroom's looking good.
Thank you.
That was easy.
We just started. It's only been a few days.
Oh! I'm going through. Karate Kid.
And already here I am standing in front, and we took that extra front door and we turned it into a window.
This is currently the front door. We are removing that and adding a window above the future tub. Okay, so we're gonna... Little interruption. We'll go on the outside and remove this door.
Admitted, when you add a little music and editing, a Reno can seem so much faster.
And here we have it. Soon to be window.
But my team is making great time.
Just finished sheeting, so it's time to throw the window in and keep the cold weather outside.
Look at this. It's very misty here today. Come on in. Let's see what the boys have been up to. The boys and girl. The team. Let's see what the team has been up to. Here we are in the entry, and the Indian Autumn slate has gone bye-bye, which is good. And we've taken the doors off this closet. So here's what I'm thinking. I find these stairs feel really pinched. So I'm thinking, what if we widen the stairs? Then I'm thinking we reduce this closet so it just has a single door, at which point the 2 closets in here will be the same size. If you're thinking that's a bad idea, Sarah, that's not enough storage, don't worry, because I have a plan. We're gonna create an amazing mudroom entry off the garage, which is where the main traffic will go. So this is really just guest coats. And top of my list, this honey tone. I love honey. We make honey at Starlight Farm, but honey on the walls is not my top choice. That's right. We put in some beehives at the farm. Wow. But I'll tell you more about that in another video. Oh! Look at this! Look what's not here anymore. The kitchen. The kitchen is gone. The kitchen is gone, but it's definitely not forgotten. Everything was in good shape, so Charlotte and Braden took it all apart carefully, and now it's moving on. Thanks to Habitat for Humanity, this kitchen will find a new home. It'll stay out of landfill, and we'll get a tax receipt for a charitable donation, which can help offset a couple dollars in the cost of our renovation. Look how big this space feels. Is this awesome? That's 13 feet by, gosh, giant, almost 16 feet, 13 by 16 feet. So you know what I'm thinking here? We could do a giant U-shaped kitchen. So we could do refrigerator here, we could do stove here, turn the corner, we can have sink under the window, nice big sink. Then we can have a big peninsula that comes at, if we've got 13 feet to this wall, it means that we could make a peninsula that's nearly 10 feet long. So that's massive. Stools on this side, and that would give us amazing countertop space. We can get good storage here, tons of storage underneath the counter. I don't know, there's something about this, about the open, about the sloped ceiling, just about the vibe of this place and how contemporary I want it to be. I don't know that I want to put wall-mounted cabinets. I'm thinking maybe no upper cabinets on this wall, and maybe it's a big U shape. And then, check out this. Check out this. Now that this wall is gone, look at this beautiful disappearing wall. We can do a nice big dining room table in here. So what we're thinking here now is, with this window, don't be alarmed that this is a bathroom that we're talking about and we have a clear window. We realize that.
By the way, I'd like to point out...
it's at a very revealing
for those
angle.
of us of a certain height, the road is right there, and there's really...
For most people...
There's not a lot left of the imagination,
Oh,
if
I
you
knew
know
you
what I
would
mean.
point this out. So this window is 24 inches. And if you were to measure the revealing dimensions of just about any person, it's also about 24 inches. Perfectly aligned to this window. So, but don't worry, we are going to bring in some privacy. Do not be alarmed. We are going to put frosting on here. We are going to put, or we may actually just pop out the glass and get acid etched glass instead. Okay, so we're thinking we're going to put a tub in here, which is something we didn't have before. This bathroom is feeling huge and amazing. We can keep the shower where the tub used to be. We're going to put the toilet over beside the shower, and then we'll have room for a really nice big vanity. Super, right?
Awesome. Have
Yeah.
you seen that? What do you and don't you see?
Ooh, I do see smooth. I don't see stucco. Who did that?
Charlotte was a busy girl yesterday.
Charlotte was determined, huh?
That's right.
Yeah.
Are we going
So
to...
did it come off easily?
Oh, super easy. It was hot water, and she sprayed it,
And then,
right off. So
great. Okay. Wow. How big is this bathroom? What is this, 6x6, 7x7? It's not very big. Yeah, 6'2" by 7. 6x7, right? Yeah.
Camera guy's got some comments now that I'm talking with Johnny Cash a bit.
Okay, what are your
We're
comments?
thinking we can move this wall into the dressing room a little bit.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Well, what I was wondering about is, do we need this closet at all?
Well, I mean, unless this is someone's home, it's not, you know, if it's people coming and going, they don't need a walk-in closet.
especially this big in this size of a house, I don't think it's necessary.
When you could have a bigger bathroom.
Well, we could do closets all along this wall, and then you could make this a big bathroom.
3 huge bathrooms though.
Do we have a house with 3 huge bathrooms, or is that crazy?
I think it's too
Huge.
much.
You know what?
After 5 on Friday, we all start talking about the president.
I think we should just ask the audience, what do you guys think?
What do you think we should do? Would you keep the walk-in closet? Would you put in wardrobes? Or would you get rid of this and make it one big bathroom?
Now, there's one other little idea the cameraman has,
Okay.
which is, no, you don't need to point it at me. We're not looking my best, because obviously I don't
Here,
know.
I'll stand with these guys.
There you go.
I'll stand with these guys.
Which
What's
is,
your idea?
now it depends on the structure, and you guys know better than anybody, but the bedroom that's on the far side of that wall that's right there, teensy weensy.
So make it big.
Maybe can we cut it in half? Give half to the bathroom and half to that bedroom.
Now you're thinking.
Stay tuned, please. The Minister of Exteriors. He likes to move into the interiors. If we took 3 feet, if we gave this
Look how
room,
tiny this room is. It's like you can't fit a bed.
well, you can.
No, you need 80 inches, don't you?
No, you could tuck. There's creative ways. They're not really fun for making a bed, but you could have a queen size bed here,
Oh, I see. On
We
the
only
side.
have one side table. So the wall, I think the wall needs to move because in order for this to work as a rental, we need the biggest beds possible. We need kings and queens.
Sleep the most.
So that's 39.5 inches to here. And it's sort of a funny bit of space that it gives us.
That's right. You'd have that 2 foot notch. I don't think it's.
I don't know that the juice is worth the squeeze. I sort of think we're better
It's
to
a
have
lot.
a small bedroom.
It's a lot of work.
This bedroom's gonna be great. The other
Yeah.
bedroom, this is gonna be a king. The other bedroom on this floor is gonna be a queen. We can get a king in the basement.
You know what you put in that room?
Huh?
Bunk beds.
Okay, but are we
Buy an
still
extra
gonna do
nice
this?
bunk bed for the money we saved on moving that wall.
Bunk bed, yeah. Okay. I don't like bunk beds.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, what was that about bunk beds? Because
I don't really like bunk beds.
why don't you like bunk beds?
Look, I'm gonna tell you. Here. We're gonna take a quiz. We're gonna take a poll, ladies out there, mothers, who likes making bunk beds?
Okay, look,
Oh, it's
nobody
a very
likes
good point.
nobody likes making bunk beds, so you can ask everyone that question.
Right?
But if you
It's
got a
across
small
the board.
room and you need to put 2 beds in, that's kind of what you're dealing with.
Kids think bunk beds are fun. Moms think bunk beds are a nightmare. They're the worst to make on a daily basis and also to change the sheets on.
You know, actually, there's a new technology out that allows you to get around that problem.
What is it?
Make the kids make the beds.
There you
Ooh.
go. There.
They
it
don't.
is.
Okay. Thanks. I don't know what planet you're coming from.
I had to make my bunk bed when I was a kid.
Same.
Yep.
Okay, you either need to be on camera. You can't just talk to me from the other side of the camera. Okay? Okay, let's not decide this right now because
Totally.
these people don't want to watch the thought bubbles. The problem with making the bathroom bigger is it doesn't really help us here.
Right.
We end up with some redundant space.
Can I ask you another question?
Yeah.
How long is that space there? Can you fit a bed in that nook? Could you put a bunk bed in the nook?
Bunk bed.
Just to make it extra hard to make it.
Yeah, this would actually fit just a mattress.
So that could
Well,
be.
I see what you're thinking.
Yeah.
Put a bunk
right
bed
This
in
is
there.
a built-in bed nook.
You got it, baby.
I like that.
Tell you, the Minister of Exteriors is in the house. And he's firing away on the hardest to make beds there are.
The funniest thing is that this is the exact dimension of a twin mattress. It is 38 inches by 74. Now we've got a good bathroom, 2 bunk beds in this nook, this nookie niche.
Oh, 2 very hard to make bunk beds. You heard it right here, people.
No, but they're not as hard to make if they're in a niche, actually. That's so weird.
Oh, I
But
did not know that.
well, because it's usually your struggle anyway. If we
We're
just-
doing a whole YouTube series on how to make bunk beds.
No,
How
but
to assemble.
here's the fun thing. We can make it so the bottom one is low and it can have a storage drawer underneath it.
Right.
And then the next one isn't that high.
Okay.
Right.
Also makes it so if I can reach it from here. Darling, you're so smart.
Aw, shucks, thank
Okay,
you.
wait, I have to see how much space I'm getting in the bathroom. Oh, except there's no light in here. 31 inches. So when we do that, we'll gain 31 inches in the bathroom. This is amazing because now there's tons of room for, you could do a desk, you could do a chair. So to give you an idea, the bunk bed nook is gonna start right here.
See, it's good that the Minister of Exteriors is on the camera because then I'm around more.
I know. You should always be around. Okay, this is good. You guys like that
I
idea?
do.
Yes.
I really do.
Okay. What's happening downstairs? What's with these hand marks? You guys didn't do this.
No.
Aw, that's so cute.
Don't tell a guy he's got small hands. It's
Oh, right?
Not polite.
Okay, that's really cute. Right, I'm sorry. But look how cute this is. Some little kid was here when they were priming and got their hands all covered in paint and then went all the way up the stairs. That's so cute. I love that. See? Somebody else was happy in this home. Oh! 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 Look! They changed the direction of the stairs. Oh, and then here. Oh my goodness.
Lots of space now. You kind of get a better picture now that the walls are gone.
We are in what was the most cramped bathroom. So we are underneath the bathroom on the main floor. And once we deal with our tub, we'll know how much we can take this back.
That's right.
Let's assume the tub's 34. That puts us just behind this light. I
Yeah.
think gaining that amount of space will completely transform this bathroom.
That's a shower, that's a vanity, anything. That's tons of room.
I feel like it's the vanity.
You think so? And
Well,
keep
I
the shower.
think, I mean, if we could leave the shower drain where it was, we can get a nice big shower here, and then we could run a vanity from wall to wall.
Hey, you know, I saw this thing on YouTube on this show called Design Life.
Yeah.
Where they had a lower part like that, and they left a bit of that part, but then they could push the vanity further back. Because it was brilliant. Whoever came up with that idea was super smart.
Alex is talking about the ensuite at our contemporary chalet project, where we recess the vanity under a beam to buy a little more space, and that could work here too.
Right.
Gotcha. So set the wall a little bit further back.
Yeah.
And half of the vanity.
I'm sure this light must be really flattering. Standing this close to a compact
It's
closet.
very good, yes.
It's very good. I'm looking and feeling my best. Okay. So 102 inches, 8.5 feet.
Awesome. That's huge.
It's amazing.
Bathroom.
Wow, I mean, what a difference from the old bathroom.
Yeah.
So an 8.5 foot vanity and a 5.5 foot shower. I think we should proceed with that plan.
Awesome.
I'll think about whether there's a better layout.
Okay.
I mean, it could be a tub shower combo.
Got a tub upstairs. You don't really need one down here, right?
No. That's code word for men hate tub shower
That's
combos,
right.
right? Okay, this is a poll now for the men out there. Who likes a tub shower combo and who says, please don't ever do that. Please just give me a shower. Because I feel like all men are afraid that they're getting attacked by the shower curtain, right?
Yes.
Very
Well, the
true.
shower curtain attacks you. That's if you haven't broken your neck stepping into it in the first place.
True. Alrighty, I'd say that is a good end to the week. We've seen some demo, we've made some progress, we've just made some great decisions together as a team. Nothing I like better, and you know what I say? I say it is 5:57. That's a wrap, and TGIF.
Thanks for watching, and stay safe, everybody.